A very good evening, traders. Welcome to a next episode of Post Market Report. Let's jump straight into this. If you are new to this channel, hi, I am Aryan. I have been trading in the Indian markets for the past 4 years. My trades are based solely on technical analysis, which includes price action, chart patterns, support, resistance, and trend lines. Before I proceed further, let me give you all a standard disclaimer. The equities shown in this video are solely for educational purposes. I do not provide any buy or sell levels. Neither do I recommend you guys to trade on my analysis. I have a right to be wrong and I love being wrong. Anything you buy or sell, please consult your financial advisor. Wishing you guys a happy trade. Apologies for the delay in post-market report. Yesterday we had Murti Bhasan and due to that there was power cut in my area and so I could not record the video. Since today is a weekend, markets are closed, so I decided to do yesterday's post-market for today. On the screen we have opened up Nifty 50 and it is 1 hour time frame as usual. On the 1st October there was this rally, this one. Now on the 2nd October the rally continued, though the intensity was not like yesterday, like the previous day, but there was a continuation of rally. If we look at the price action, it opened at previous day's support level of previous day's afternoon support level. From there was a rally. Then at previous day high, there was a minor selling, which was eventually digested in the last part of the trading session, which took prices to the day high. And with this day high, we are at the low of some previous days. And this gap has now been closed. Let's see how the price action continues on Monday. So if we conclude, we can see that this was a downfall and we are still in the bearish phase, I guess. Unless price takes support here or here and bounces back, this downtrend is still intact. Now let's zoom out the chart a bit and see what picture is being painted. On the zoomed out 1 hour time frame, we can see that this is acting as support 2500 and 25 600 somewhere, or 25 200 300, that is acting as a resistance. Sometimes to 25,000 also. So for major part of the time for major part for last 3 months, no, not just 3 months, for the last 1 2 3 4 5, for the last 5 months, Nifty has been trading in this zone from 24,500 to 25,500. This is the parallel. This is the rectangular box in which Nifty is trading. Let's now view daily time frame. What picture is in daily time frame? On the daily time frame, we can see that after forming 3 3 6 3 9 continuous red candles, there has been two big green candles. See this. Compare the Compare the size of these three candles and these two green candles. They are similar in size. So we can say that after sharp selling, now there is a sharp demand. How long this demand will continue? Even I don't know, to be precise. One way to look at it is that price is near this support level, so this demand is quite natural. Let's wait for some more days of price action and let's see where the Nifty lands. So that was all about Nifty. Now let's move to sectoral indices. For that, I will open up my new layout that contains 6 sectors, including our Nifty 50, our major index. And all these sectors I have moved on. All these sectors I will analyze on 15 minutes time frame. Now that my screen is ready, let's now analyze it. This is October 3rd price action. We can see that Nifty has been trading in a upward sloping parallel channel. Coming to Bank Nifty is similar, upward sloping parallel channel. From the size of candles that are found, we can see that Nifty was more volatile than Bank Nifty. Coming to Auto Index saw a sharp selling in the initial 15-minute candle. After that, it also traded in a upward sloping parallel channel, which took prices to opening levels. Similar is the case with FMCG. FMCG is similar to Auto Index. Sharp selling in the initial candle, then gradual recovery and opening to initial opening levels and closed to initial opening levels. IT sector IT sector is quite interesting. For the whole day, it traded inside a rectangular box. See, initial candle was red, then it retraced all the fall, then it came back to lows, then towards the end it rose and closed at the upper level of this uh, rectangular box. Nifty Pharma is somewhat similar to IT index. It traded in a box. However, this box was always above the opening range. See this opening. Oh, sorry. I did some mistake. Uh, 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 there was a mistake. So Pharma index is similar to Nifty IT. Initial candle was green, then whole day it traded inside the initial candle range. So that was all about sectoral indices. To conclude, we can say that Bank Nifty was the top performing sector of yesterday, followed by auto and FMCG, which were moderate. IT and pharma, they were neither bullish nor bearish. They were range bound. So that was all about sectoral indices analysis. Since today is weekend, I will come out with separate video which will include analysis of individual stocks that are present in Nifty 50. Let me now quickly wrap up this video and move inside the mystery box. That was all about today's report. Please like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications of latest videos. Bye bye traders. See you in the next report. Adios amigo. Powering off.